Hello students, today I teach you computer chapter 1 data storage media. In this chapter we will learn about binary digit, that is bits and bytes. Second one is primary memory, that is RAM and ROM, and third one is secondary memory, that is CD, hard disk, DVD and pen drive. Okay. Now first these are outlines, that is data versus information. First we will know about data and information. What is data and what is information? See here. Data are facts and figures collected from a source. When we organize these data so that we can understand it better, draw conclusions, track changes, etc., it is called information. In other words, organized and well-labeled data is called information. Now, what is data? Data are facts figure collected from a source, that is alphabet and digits, and when this data is processed by the processing unit, that is CPU, is known as information. So basically data is the raw material, and when we process on the data then the result will be available in the form of information. इसलिए हम लोग कहते हैं data is a unorganized figures and facts, and processed data is known as information. So students, I think you all of you understood about data and information. What is data and what is information? Now second thing is bits and bytes. See here, a computer can understand only two digits, that is 0 and 1. This 0 and 1, what is 0 and what is 1? 1 is on state and 0 is off state. Okay, these two digits is known as binary digits. See here, computers use only two digits, 0 and 1. For this purpose, this is called the binary code, and 0 and 1 are called binary digits. This binary digits, full form of bits is the short form of binary digits, and full form of bits is binary digits. The data is stored in a computer memory in the form of bits and measured in bytes. See here, all sorts of information from pictures and videos to words and sounds can be stored as patterns made of these two digits. Bits are rarely seen alone in computers. They are generally grouped together into 8-bit collections called bytes. 8-bit collections called bytes. So group of 8 bits is called 1 bytes, that is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. There are 8 bits. इस 8 bits को हम लोग 1 byte कहते हैं. सेम इसी तरह अगर ग्रुप में हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? A collection of 8 bits is called a bytes. A collection of 1024 bytes is called a kilobyte, that is KB. A collection of 1024 kilobytes is called a megabytes, that is MB. A collection of 1024 megabytes is called a gigabyte, that is GB. Understood about bits and bytes? Now, third is silicon chips. What is silicon chips? First of all of you know that the silicon chips was invented by two American engineers. See here, the silicon chips was invented by two American electrical engineers, Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce. See, these inventions changed the way computers worked and led to the development of modern computer. First, you all of you learned these two names, Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce. This is the silicon chips who invented by two American electrical engineers. Now, what is silicon chips? Chips are made up of many electronic circuits. These chips are tiny pieces of material called silicon. All the chips in a computer are mounted on boards called printed circuit boards, that is PCB. Full form of PCB is printed circuit ports or daughter ports. These daughter ports are attached to a motherboard. ये daughter board किससे attached रहता है? Motherboard से. See here figure, motherboard and other parts in a computer. See, what is this? This is CPU. Inside the CPU, this is motherboard. This is floppy disk drive. This is CD drive and this is RAM. Now, second thing is computer memory. About computer memory, there are types of memory. It is classified into two types. That is primary memory and secondary memory. So, in primary memory, again it is divided into two parts. That is RAM and ROM. It is divided into two parts, that is RAM and ROM. First, you know what is the full form of RAM. RAM full form, random access memory, and ROM, read only memory. And in secondary memory, it is divided into four parts, that is CD, DVD, hard disk and pen drive. So this is primary memory and secondary memory. Students, now enough for today. Now next day I teach you about primary memory and secondary memory. So till now learn all the full forms and memory size chart. Whatever I see in your book, this is memory C chart, memory size chart. First you learn this and write down in your notebook. Understood? All of you write down in your notebook this. Then next day I teach you primary memory and secondary memory. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.